Summers have started, and her small little friends are enjoying their kitty party. Just like them, we can build daily habits to protect and grow our energy. I keep a bowl of water and some leafy vegetables and threads for the birds, sparrows, to help them build their nest for safety during the rainy seasons. It's amazing how the small daily efforts keep them protected throughout the rough day. This is what habit is all about. Small, consistent daily efforts that build protection, energy, and abundance in our life. And to support your daily energy habits, you can keep a money magnet pyramid in your home or wear a money magnet bracelet. It helps to strengthen your protective energy and keep abundance flowing. DM Free Bhavani to get yours.